8 minutes and 27 seconds recording time. May 5th, 2016.
My phone died on. Killed it low.
I say smoke them if you got them. Scotty, could you light me a cigarette so I don't have to move my hands? I should put them up though.
Yeah, one
there. Thank you.
Yep.
When police officers actually engage in processes like this, and they act upon human beings who have existed peacefully with no violation of a when they do this, they're acting outside of their authorization. They're authorized to act on behalf of victims making allegations, or if they personally witness the commission of a crime.
I'm just gonna run your name to see what's going on, see what kind of laws that you broke in, and see if you got a warrant out for your arrest.
And you never know.
They might just let you run out of here.
They might impound the vehicle, which would be... See, times like this are part of the reasoning why I wish I would help out other people that are having similar circumstances arise, you know, that they would... Hello? Hello? Peace.
So it's Gerald, is that right?
Yeah.
So Gerald, I need to see your license, your registration, and insurance, okay, man? You gonna provide that to me?
I already explained to you, I haven't voluntarily applied for one of those. Actually, the police took my license from me, and I'm not Gerald Tyler Davis, Gerald Lee Davis, in case you're making a case of mistaken identity.
Okay. I need you to go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me, okay?
Okay, well, I will peacefully allow you to do whatever you want, and if you've witnessed me breach the peace, then remove me from the vehicle, because I'm a peaceful man.
Okay, can you step out for me, please?
No, I can't voluntarily consent to what I believe is a crime on your behalf.
I've explained to you that you are required to identify yourself.
Well, I'll be bringing charges against you, person-to-person injury crime.
Okay.
Like I said, I'm a peaceful man.
You have two options, Gerald.
I have more options than that.
Okay.
I have a right to remain silent.
Okay.
I'm done talking.
Okay. Hey, Gerald.
Rex, stop it.
Gerald.
Rex, stop it.
You're under arrest, okay? You understand that? You're under arrest and you need to step out of the car.
Rex, stop it.
There'd be no need for violence. I'm a peaceful man. I love people. I care about people. I don't approve of people who use force, threat, and coercion to secure security interest.
And nobody's doing that.
Maybe you should do a little research. I have done the research.
Okay.
And you can call the district attorney that dropped my charges in the last situation if you care to. And Like I said, I believe in acting lawfully. I don't believe anybody, not even in uniform, has a right to act against a peaceful human being.
No, stop it.
But
And
you are required is when you are driving a motor vehicle on a
yes,
highway.
driving is a commercial term, which I am not engaging in. I'm not getting paid.
What are
I'm
you-
not working like you guys
What
are,
are you
getting
engaging in?
paid to act against a human being who's
Can you
traveled
tell-
from
can you
point
tell
A
me
to
what you're
point B.
engaging in?
It's none of your business, sir.
It's none of my business.
No.
Traveling.
I have a right to privacy. Maybe you should read your Constitution. It'd be awesome if you were acting on an oath. If you'd just taken a sworn oath to uphold the laws that govern your conduct. Yes.
If you haven't been told we're recording, looks
Yes,
like
so
you
am
probably
I.
are too.
Oh,
Very good.
definitely.
So
I
understand
have.
this. Understand this. You've stated what your views are, and I'm going to state a couple of things that are fact. Okay, right now you're under arrest for failure to carry and present your ID.
It's voluntarily
No,
to apply
you're under
for.
arrest, so you either step out of the car or we'll remove you from the car.
And I told you I won't resist
Okay,
at all.
You said something about voluntary, and we don't want to
Yeah.
use any force either. I
Well,
would like you to step out of
if
the car,
you've-
though, please.
I-
Otherwise,
because
you'll
I'm
be-
a peaceful
otherwise you'll
man.
be removed from the car. Okay, sir?
Well,
You understand?
yes, I know you're going to commit an act of crime against me, and you will be charged because you are not authorized to act against a human being. I've committed no crime. Oh my God! Oh my gosh!
Hold that dog! You better hold that dog!
No, Rex.
Sit down.
Can I stand it up?
We have such a covered up carrying, but no.
You've damaged property.
Rex, sit down. Sit.
Think what you guys are doing right now.
Behave.
Think what you're doing. For what? Who do you think you're?
Rex, no.
You better hold that dog or
Here,
he'll be shot!
I'll get out.
I got it.
Can I take my seatbelt off?
He's old.
Put your hand on your head.
No, Rex. Oh boy. Rex.
You keep your hands where we can see him. Get out of the car. Stand on your feet.
Rex. No.
Right?
Oh, Daryl, don't.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Your mother would be so proud of you.
Keep watching them. Keep your hands up. Put your freaking hands up.
I'm a peaceful man. Are you? Why are you being so violent? Why are you being violent?
Stand up.
And what? You're gonna beat this up?
Stand up.
Why are you doing this? I want to know what you guys
Right now you're being asked.
Right now, we're just having you guys stay put for safety reasons. Do you understand?
Cool.
Thank you for holding that dog. Are you injured at all, sir?
No, sir.
Are you hurt at all?
No.
Firm, I think we just need a supervisor to put one right now. You can clear that. Now, I assume you guys probably feel the same way that he does,
We're just
and that's
traveling.
fine, but for purposes of potentially releasing this car to somebody who has a valid license, do either of you guys have a valid driver's license?
Do not.
No.
No? Is that,
I
did you
have
say
a bike.
no?
I said no.
I'm sorry, sir.
No.
You do not. Okay, what was that, sir?
I have a bike. My bike.
Okay. All right.
But
And you guys can relax your arms. While we were dealing with that, I didn't want hands down, potentially reaching for something, so thank you. You can put your hands down, just don't reach, okay, sir?
Awesome.
Now, it's just hard for me to hear you. Can you reach over and just grab those out of there so that it stops dinging? What's your last name, sir?
Smith.
And your first name?
Scott.
2 T's?
Mm-hmm.
And your middle name?
Joe.
Joe?
Yeah.
J-O or J-O-E?
J-O-E.
And what's your birth date?
5977.
Very good, thank you. And sir in the back that's been waiting so patient, what's your last name?
Ramirez.
Ramirez?
Mm-hmm.
And your first name, sir?
Joe.
What?
Joe.
Is it Joseph?
Just Joe.
Just Joe. J-O-E?
Yes.
And what's your middle name?
Ernest.
And your birthday, please, sir?
January 13, 1962.
How do you guys know him?
He's been a friend of mine
just a
for
friend?
20 years. And,
What's his
Well,
problem with us?
Me.
it's not with you guys,
Yeah?
per se.
Yeah.
It's with the, the common denominator. I mean,
Not tracking.
We
I'm not tracking with you, sir.
well, we've been lied to. I mean, as a people.
Okay.
And he's just kind of realizing that he's still
Yeah.
kind of young in it. He's not exactly sure how to, go about it yet. But I think that we should do that in courts or whatever.
Okay.
We shouldn't
All right.
deal with people. You know what I mean? Because I know
Do you guys
you're doing your
understand?
job.
Do you guys understand where we stand with this?
Yeah.
Okay. Officer
I do.
Thomas observed some traffic violations or a traffic violation. And when you're operating a motor vehicle on the public highway, for whatever reason, commercial or not,
Well,
you're required to identify yourself for
Yeah.
that purpose, for citations.
Yeah, I know we have a right to
Hey.
travel.
Hey, officer.
What's that?
I know we have a right to travel. I mean,
Yep, but when you commit a traffic violation, you can be stopped and receive a traffic citation.
I
And
And for
hear
that purpose,
I
you're
hear
required
that.
to identify yourself.
Cool.
Understand?
Yep, I
Okay,
appreciate that.
great.
Hey, officer.
Yes, sir.
Me and Gerald were roommates. We live.
You and this fella?
Yeah, we're roommates.
Gerald.
We live in the same residence.
Okay.
And we have somebody at the house with a license that can come,
Okay.
but I
That's
don't have
good.
a phone. And do you have a phone?
Well, it's
Yeah.
good information to know. Officer Thomas is primary on this, so I'm going to let him know where we stand with that, and he'll make a determination, okay?
Well,
So
I'm
if you
saying,
guys-
well, I'm saying I have my bike here. 'Cause we'll work at the owner's property.
Oh, okay.
And the owner of the house, and I can ride my bike home and then have somebody.
Very good. And like
the
I said,
owner and
I-
have them come get the van because the van belongs to the owner.
Okay. Yeah, sorry to interrupt you. I thought you were done. So, that's good information to have. Thank you for letting me know. I'm going to pass that on to Officer Thomas, who was the one that first introduced himself to you guys. And then I'll let him determine what's going on with the van. A lot's going to determine a lot to consider is what his driving status is.
Yeah.
So those are, before we start making moves like having someone to come get the van, I need to look into those things, okay? So I don't want to make any promises right now. So thanks for telling me that. Give me just a moment and I'll be right back with you guys, okay?
Cool.
Cool,
Okay,
thanks.
no problem.
Backer, just stay there, okay?
Do you have a phone, Sky?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Do you know April's number?
I do.
Oh, right.
How long you known him?
About 20 years.
What's his name?
Gerald
Gerald what?
Davis.
David.
Gerald Davis. Okay. What? So you just said he just been wronged by the police before?
Well, he's learning about crimes.
What
and
he
stuff
thinks
and
his
the
rights
law.
are and stuff?
Mhm.
Studies about common rights and stuff.
Yeah, common law.
Okay.
I mean, he studies all the time.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, fellas. Hang out just 1 second, and we'll let you guys know what we can do with the van. We'll do what we can. Okay. Thanks. What's his birthday?
I'm not sure.
Do you know what year it is?
It just passed.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
This month?
I believe so.
Okay. All right. I'm trying to help him stay out of jail because with this failure to carry and present, you can only be in custody so long to identify you. That's really what it came down to. We just needed to know who he was. We can't just let him go. So that's what I'm trying to do. So any help that you can give us to do that.
His name is Gerald Lee Davis.
Do you know what Gerald Lee Davis? And it was in April or May?
Gerald's birthday is November 1962.
His?
I'm older.
November 62?
Yeah.
I thought it...
We were talking about it this morning.
I thought it had just passed.
And you said it's Lee?
Yeah.
Okay. Does he have an ID in here or anything?
I don't believe so.
No? Okay. All right.
Where are we at, man?
We're in Bushnell, right here at Rexius on Prairie Road.
Oh, Prairie Road?
Yeah, at Rexius on Bushnell.
Which way is Scooters? Like, you know,
the Prairie Schooners?
Yeah, which way is Schooners?
That way. Towards Beltline. That's Beltline right there.
It is?
Yeah. Or Randy Pepe. Whatever they want to call it.
Wasn't this in his pocket?
Yep.
Stephen M. Lumber. You guys know if he has a wallet or anything in here?
No. I don't believe he carries one.
Say again?
Yeah, I don't believe he carries one.
You don't believe he carries one? You know whose van this is?
Yep.
Yes.
Whose van is it?
Nick Crosby's.
Nick Crosby.
Comes back saying that the registered owner of the van is Multnomah County.
Well, you see, he owns
from the
NC
auction.
Auto,
Mm-hmm.
and all the vehicles on his property, man, including this one, he buys at the auction. That's what he does.
And so he's bought it, then he just hasn't transferred the name.
I guess.
I get. Well, we don't know
Could be.
about.